Fitch Cosby here with another Uni-Globalen Arme firearms commercial. What we have here, 1911 .45 caliber. Shoots these little bit of rounds. Has a built-in sound suppressor and muzzle flash reducer. So when you shoot it, barely any sound. I can't shoot it in here, of course. Guess you'll have to find out for yourself. This here, not built-in sound suppressor. Still, packs a punch when you shoot it. This bad boy here shoots 6.7mm rounds. It's a bit higher caliber, about 48. Adjustable stock. And of course packs a hell of a punch when you shoot it. Careful though. Illegal in some countries with the automatic, switching to single fire. Pretty decent. This here is a knife. That's all you need to know about it.